looks like Lily. Hi. Cuters. Are you laughing? Dad, why is Mom over here? Why is Mom over here like this?
Dad knows better.
She just came out of both ends.
No, both front ends.
She cued and burped. I can't make this up.
Sarah's gonna be so jealous.
Send it to her.
Hi, baby Halo. Am I your favorite uncle over Aunt
Say,
Cece?
Mama!
You love Uncle Oz more than Aunt Cece.
Oh. That was kind of a flirt.
So cares.
Say go, Austin!
Let's get our next round.
He's extremely confident of himself, as you can see walking out. But we'll see what happens because, you know, Austin Clayton is a great wrestler. He's got great hands, but if he goes to the ground, Hayden Hoodieberg is a legit purple belt. He's great off his bat, and he makes things work.
Going against Austin Cliffy Clayton, 4-0 against 2-0. Somebody's going to take an L here.
Let me tell you something. Both these kids right here, Hayden and Austin, they're going to have amazing pro careers. They are dead set on each other. We're going to see these kids in the UFC. I could almost guarantee you that.
Yeah!
Absolutely. Here
Nothing
we go, right in
shakes
the middle.
Clayton keeps putting his fingers up like, you know, what? Oh, he's getting cocky. Clayton's getting cocky. Hoodieberg shoots. Not sure that's where he wants to be necessarily, but worth an effort.
Hayden's great on the ground, but Austin is a D1 wrestler.
Yeah. Didn't let go of his toe for a minute there, but he did. He's going to let him stand up.
Here you go, right back in the middle.
When the wrestler asks you to stand up, I'm a little concerned. Maybe Clayton's looking for a finish other than a submission.
Oh, big shot, big shot.
Hoodieberg took it and has decided to. Nah, that was it.
That's it.
Dropped Hoodieberg. Hoodieberg not sure quite what to do. Defending each other.
They're both big kids.
All right.
And your winner by knockout, Austin Cliffy Clayton.
And I believe the hype is true. You are going somewhere.
Congrats to Hayden, man. A lot of people don't want to fight me. I understand why. But man, come on, give me some fights, dude. Let's go!
And everybody should be afraid of him. I'm afraid of him.
He's a big prospect, you know? He is a big prospect.
See him in the big show.
High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah.
staying under. It's actually really pretty there. It gives me Wyoming vibes. My husband and his family are from Wyoming, and it just gives me that type of vibe. It has been a chaotic last couple of days. We were traveling. Halo just had her first ever flight. We flew to Montana to watch my younger brother, I was gonna say little brother, but he's not little. Younger brother's third fight. He is still undefeated. He is 3-0. He just knocked his opponent out. No, but seriously, every single time I see him fight, I'm just blown away even more because he gets better and better and better. But honestly, there's no one else that deserves it more. This kid is the hardest working person I've ever seen in my life. Figured, you know, I'd be big sis and go support and bring Halo for everyone to see. And it was a fun weekend and it was good to see my family, but oh my gosh, like, it was just go, go, go. I was literally only there for like 2 days. Flew back. I'm finally able to settle in. And then today, I mean, Halo was like okay the last 2 days. Today, I don't know what has gotten into that girl, but the attitude that she has is not okay for a 6-month-old. She is giving toddler energy to its fullest extent, and I'm just like, I'm in so much trouble. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys, I just took this picture over the weekend and I was able to print it out using this cutie little printer. This is the size of the printer. You could take this anywhere. Okay, this is my hand, this is the printer. This is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. It is an instant printer. So you can print photos straight from your phone, and it came in so much handy today because, like I said, I just got off the plane and I had this photo that I wanted to print because it's just the cutest, most wholesome thing in the entire world. I'm obsessed. It's Halo on her first flight, and it's just like the sunset hues and her looking out the window, and I just love her so much. So cute. I have this one of her newborn photo shoot. Oh, my little potato. So I was able to print that directly from my phone. So easy and convenient, and this way the photo does not get lost in my camera roll. Comes with photo sheets. Compact, adorable, sleek, convenient. It's instant from your phone, from your iPad, from your computer, whatever is most convenient for you, and I just am obsessed with it. Like, I did not know what I was missing, and I needed this in my life. I cannot tell you the amount of times I've gone to CVS and printed out photos and they come out so distorted, the worst quality, and they're so expensive. How freaking cute. Ugh, I'm obsessed. Look, baby, it was you on the airplane. Do you remember going on the airplane to see Uncle Austin, Aunt Cece, and Kim Kim and Pap? And baby Goompy too, huh? Yeah. It's balancing all the colors, so it does the yellow first, then the red, then the blue. Oh my gosh, literally everybody needs one of these. They're so convenient. So this was me and Sammy on our honeymoon. Baby. That's Mama and Dada on the honeymoon. See how it comes out yellow first? It's doing the yellow. I'm not gonna lie, when it first came out, I was like, oh no. But then I realized what it was doing. Everybody needs one of these. I just printed this one in color because I love the sunset hues. But what I want to do is just have like a really slick and classy black and white photo wall. We're going to be redoing the camper. Oh wait! This is one of my favorite photos of all time. We're gonna be redoing the camper, doing a bunch of stuff to it. We're gonna put like probably a mirror right here and make this a little black and white photo wall. You guys will just have to stick around to see because it's gonna be so cute. Oh, my precious little angel. I miss when you were this little. Ugh, one of my faves. Also, what I just noticed is that these come I don't know how to say that word. Perforated? I literally don't know. But that way you can hold it and not worry about getting fingerprints on the glossy part, and then whenever you're ready you can just slip it in. So I have our honeymoon, I have our wedding being printed, her as a newborn, her pretty much now, and yeah, I should probably print one of us pregnant too. Look, baby, this was you just a couple of weeks ago. Remember this? Who is that? Who's that girl? Say, that's baby Halo. Oh my gosh, you know what I just realized? We don't have any really good pictures of all three of us together. I have a lot of good pictures of her with Sam, her with me. but all three of us, we really need to get a photo shoot done. Maybe a Christmas one. That's Mama. Like, you guys know what's so crazy is that these two people right here and right here made this beautiful little baby. I'm so happy with this, especially this one. So the color even prints so good. Yay! Now we just gotta go get some frames. You wanna go shopping? Let's go shopping. So if you want one of these for yourself, or you think it would make a perfect gift for someone that you know, but I do have a discount code for you guys to get $12 off if you're interested. It's linked down below, so make sure you guys use my discount code and my link. It's in the description. And yeah, so I really like this. I will definitely be getting more use out of it. Anyways, I think I'm about to head out to the store. I really wanted to go to Target and Home Goods and World Market, but it's like 45 minutes away. So I think I'm just gonna head to Walmart today and do all that tomorrow after the gym, because I'll already be out tomorrow, out that way in that direction. So I think I might just go to Walmart. I need to get a duvet insert. I also need to get photo frames, and I also need to get a couple groceries and like random things, like Sam needs a Gorilla Glue or something. So yeah, I think honestly I'm just gonna pick up a new vlog right now and end today's. I know it was short, but I honestly just want to get some more content out for you guys. I know that my videos are not getting across to everyone. That's a long story that I can save for a different day. But if you are watching, if you have your notifications turned on, if you're checking out my channel to see if I posted because you're not getting notified, I literally love you so much. Yeah, we'll go on that ramble a different day. I'm literally picking up a new vlog right now, so come back to the channel in a couple days. I'm kind of on my vlog grind a little bit. Love you guys, tons of Billy, Trilly, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!